How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market without bag holding and get precise entries. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And please, if you stay till the end, I have a premium Discord for my exact trades and entries and exits before I even get in or get out. I show you guys the best trade in the market, but this will be put in the YouTube comment section if you want to join it. Now, let's get right into it. Ticker CISS I want to talk about. This thing is running after market 18%. It is doing a good day after market. We'll see what the pre-market holds and the market hours. But I want to just kind of talk about CISS because I got some people that called this out in my premium Discord, and it's freaking hyping me up. Like, that's awesome. Like, they're using kind of like the system. I personally wanted a lower entry, but this I just want to talk about the system and how you can get pretty close to the bottom here. So yeah, the red band is your sell. The blue band is where price is going to magnet. You see price get away from it, it goes back. Price gets away, it gets back. So price has to go back to your blue band, and no matter what, I guarantee it, and it will do that. Wow, this thing really tanked. Holy crap. Yeah, so you don't even get in any of these alerts right here. All this can tank, and we don't care. The only thing I'm looking at right now is the current price because it's near the green band. This is where the current price is, and this is where you can kind of look to get in. Price did, to a T, kind of hit this green band here. This is kind of where you can start your position if you want to. It's not a bad thing. I do kind of like look at other things, and I look at lower price action, lower time frames, and all that good stuff. And it just wasn't quite there for me. But if you just follow strictly just based on, I'm just going to get in right in here, it's not a bad idea. Obviously, you can lose a lot of money doing that. I've seen where, it goes, quite under the bands, and I customize this to be extremely oversold. So if it's hitting this band, it's extremely oversold. But now that I'm zooming out, this thing has been tanking ever since. It's extremely oversold. Wow, this thing can't get a break, and it tanks again to 11 cents. It's like, is this thing ever going to go up? We'll see. But right here, nice little after-hour gainers going up 16%. I'd love to see that after this big old drop here. That's probably what's getting buyers to come in. But yeah, it hits this green band. That means it's we're alerting a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in. It's just saying, okay, this is on our radar. I'm in a couple other tickers, so I missed this, but one of my members alerted it, and he got in, and I'm glad. He's making pretty decent money. It just did not fit quite. Like, if it was just a little under the band, probably a lower K on the KDJ, and then the price action, and then the lower time frames all match. I'm very picky and disciplined, and that's why I do not bag hold. I get, big percentage wins when they start moving, and sometimes you wake up, it just gaps up. I hope CISS does that. This is looking good after just looking back. Yeah, I think it is looking good. And remember, I said the blue band is where price has to go. Now, this does not mean that it's going to go directly to this blue band because it's going to fluctuate. This blue band is probably going to start curling down a little and meet up with the price. But your potential target, as of this video, I would not aim for this, but is 37 cents. I mean, it's a pretty big. So when you look at your risk versus reward, that's a pretty nice little size move you can do. I personally would look for the middle area of this between the middle band and just make a solid little gain here. That's what I would do. 20 cents maybe, right in there. That's a solid gain if you got on these low entries. And that is what this system really teaches. You do not chase. You know when a buy zone is, you know when to exit, and you know when to get out. You never want to hold these pennies because pennies can destroy your account. They will keep going down and down and down and down, like you can see for CISS. If you got in right when this IPO'd, it just kept going down and down and down. This thing was a high of 20 bucks, and it just did not give a break. It will not go back up to the highs of that. It's just impossible. There's just no, I'm not going to say impossible, but it's unrealistic. As you can see, even when it gets near the red band, it sells off dramatically. It gets near it, it sells off. It gets near it, it sells off. And now we're finally get a proper, this is a proper buy signal to get all the buyers in, to get a nice little push to make some decent gains. So if you got in, congratulations. That is not a bad little gain if you got in near these entries right in here. If you guys want to learn more and you guys want to see the premium Discord, how it works in real time, it is only $6 a month. A very small fee for all the resources you get. You get the setup video, the trade alerts, and these trade alerts show you exactly what I am in. And when the market opens, I tell you exactly my favorite stock and the entry I want to get in before the price gets there. So you will get the same exact entry as me, and you'll get the same exact profit percentage as me because I told my exit before I exit. I do not leave you guys hanging like a lot of Discords that charge hundreds of dollars a month, and they'll give you a watch list. Like some people I heard seen in my Discord saying, these are 10 stocks that could go up 200%. Pick one and take a blind guess, and sure, anyone can, put out 10 stocks in a watch list, and I'm sure one of them will do a 100% gainer. Yeah, but this is more getting into the nitty gritty of why are we getting in, and then what's our target, what's our entry price, and we're focusing in on one. We're not going to just shoot out dozens of stocks. I know what's exactly good. I know what's worked because I have back tested this system for years, and it works, guys. I'm telling you, this is the best reversal strategy that works. I have spent so much time. I got tired of losing money. I got tired of, just constantly being a negative. So I took that time, many lonely nights, away from people, just to figure out so much back testing. And I finally figured what works for me. And if you guys like these kind of setups like CISS, a reversal setup that's going to do a J hook, and you're getting those cheap shares. Like I like going and buying cheap stuff and reselling it for a higher price. That is my personality, and I'm sure you guys that got in CISS, that is exactly your personality too, that want to accumulate these cheap shares and sell it for a higher gain. We do not want to buy up in these little areas. These are a lot of false signals, and anyone that got into this, of course, you're going to be back holding by a lot, and we don't know if it's ever going to get back up there. But I do know a conservative price target, and that's what you always want to aim for. You always want to be profitable. It's not about the big, massive wins, guys. If you can take a 16% gain and you keep doing that, every other day, that will add up to your 100%, and that is massive. That is very good returns, guys. Yeah, I can see this thing going up pretty good because the middle band has a lot of big length between the price, so I would aim between the middle of it, a conservative target of 20 cents. I don't see, I could see that happening. Maybe, even aim for 18 cents if you got a really good entry, but you got to set like some standard profit targets, percentages that you're comfortable with getting. You do not want to take a position, be up a lot, and then it be down. You don't want to be in that scenario. If you guys want me to hold your hand and based on experience and how to become, a professional trader and to make consistent money, join the premium Discord. I promise you I can get you there, and I'll show you exactly what I do so you can be a consistent trader and you do not chase stocks, you do not have FOMO, you be patient and you let the market come to you. Because I do not care if I do not get in an entry or a stock for a day. I want the market to come to me because I do not want to back hold, because I know there's always one stock out there that's going to show a nice entry. And I'm glad people that got in CISS and so my Discord and probably in a lot of people out there, I'm happy for you guys. If you guys want to learn more about this, I'm going to put the premium Discord into the YouTube comment section. I will pin it and it will say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And I guarantee that they are the best trades. You can DM a lot of my members that are subscribers. As you can see, we have a lot of subscribers, and it's constantly growing. You're not going to disappoint it, and it's only a low cost. And I'm going to keep it at that low cost because I know a lot of people are hurting. They don't have big trading accounts. You can come with however small your trading account is because the monthly fee is so cheap. All right, guys, and if you want to give a like, give a subscribe. So you help the algorithm on the YouTube. It would help me a lot. Comment if you want to. Share the video. And let's go to the freaking moon already, sis. All right, guys. I'll see you in the premium Discord. Catch you later.